This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play every character in Risk of Rain 2. We'll dive deep into the diverse roster of survivors, helping you understand their unique kits and how to maximize their potential. From the versatile commando to the powerful loader, each character presents a fresh challenge and a new way to conquer Petrichor V. Get ready to elevate your gameplay and dominate every run, no matter which survivor you choose to deploy. Let's get started. Every survivor benefits from core strategies. Focus on item synergy. For example, attack speed items greatly boost characters like the commando. Mobility is crucial. Always be moving to avoid enemy projectiles and melee attacks. Understanding enemy attack patterns allows for precise dodges and counterattacks. Also, use the environment to your advantage, like kiting enemies around obstacles or using ledges for cover. These fundamentals apply to nearly every character. Let's look at some diverse playstyles. The commando is a balanced character, thriving with attack speed and critical strike chance for consistent damage output. The huntress, on the other hand, is highly mobile, using her auto-targeting arrows to weave through enemies while dealing damage. Engineer focuses on defensive play, deploying two powerful turrets that inherit all your items, creating a formidable static defense. Then there's Loader, a melee powerhouse, using her gauntlets for massive damage and incredible traversal. For advanced play, focus on item stacking. For instance, stacking Lensmaker's glasses on any character provides a 100% critical strike chance. Learn how items scale with each survivor. Some benefit more from certain stats than others. Don't forget equipment. A royal capacitor can clear entire waves. Finally, master character-specific techniques, like the mercenary's invincibility frames during his abilities or the artificer's elemental combos. These details will truly elevate your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.